What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Artie. We have a really quick DIY on a 2019 Lexus ES300 hybrid. I'm going to show you guys how to change the cabin filter and save some money so you can go spend it on some Starbucks instead of paying it to your local mechanic. Alright guys, so this is a 2019 ES300 hybrid, and the filter that we're going to be using is an STP. So this isn't an OEM Toyota Lexus filter, but right there you guys can see it's a part number CAF1950P. So this is a $19 filter, I believe. It's my boy's car, and right here I want to show you guys where the cabin filter is located. I hope you guys see the lighting right here. So once you open a glove box, right there you have a cover. We're going to remove the cover by pressing those two tabs right there. Alright, so the first cover is off. It was a simple two tabs right here. No tools necessary for this DIY. Now if we pay attention right here, you have another cover inside right there. It's a see-through white right here on where my right hand is. You basically pull towards you like that and pull this out. This is your second cover, and right there inside is your filter. So we're gonna pull out the filter tray. Check out how bad this filter is with 22,000 miles on the car. Now look, I don't know if lighting is doing justice. Horrible condition. Look at all of that. You're breathing all of this bad air in. Now let's take a look at what a brand new filter looks like in comparison to this 22 or 23,000 mile old Lexus filter. So this is, like I said, STP. It's cheaper than an OEM product. Here is your brand new filter, and here is what 22,000 miles looks like. So you're breathing all of this horrible air in. Now, interesting thing about this one in comparison to the Jeep DIY, this is actually a tray and it shows up. So we have to remove the filter like this and take it out of this tray, and then put the new STP filter, let's do this out of the car, and put the new STP filter in here. So basically everything is going to be the same. Just remember the way you're bringing everything out and put everything in the same way. Over here it says airflow up. So I'm assuming we put it in gently like this. In here, push it down, make sure it's in correctly like so. And again right here, this is the reversal, putting it back up into its place. Make sure you try to do everything clean. If it's dirty, clean it up, and there you go. Put it back in where it's supposed to be. Then you put the cover back. You have 3 hinges here. Oh, actually almost forgot a step. Right, put this back in again, left first, and then it clicks in over here. Little 3 swinging hinges right here. Put it in the bottom. Come on, get in there. Am I blind or what? Right there. Boom, boom. In. We're done. So quick, simple DIY. Might save you like 20-30 bucks instead of paying to a mechanic. You could do it yourself, no tools necessary. Like I said, this is an STP. If you want to go the original route, you can go pick it up from Toyota or buy it on Amazon, whatever is cheaper for you guys. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. I'll catch all of you guys on the next video. Peace.